New tonight, we are getting our first look at how UNC System schools say they complied with the policy they're calling their equality policy in the past year. So the Board of Governors passed this policy, replacing diversity, equity, and inclusion initiatives last May.
Now schools are showing how they got rid of DEI. WRAL's Monica Casey tells us why these reports look different from last year's.
Last year, we saw a lot of data on the number of roles eliminated and the money saved. This year, we're seeing data on initiatives that have been realigned and grant money that universities like NC Central say they have had to decline. New reports from UNC System schools show how they're complying with the equality policy. That policy replaced DEI initiatives last year. In 2024, UNC Chapel Hill redirected the most money, $5.4 million. NC State was close behind, saving $4.9 million. This year, we are seeing a loss of money in the form of grants that universities are rejecting. NC Central won $75,000 as part of the HBCU Takeoff Initiative, but the grant said that money had to be focused on supporting student success for men of color. Chancellor Carrie Dixon wrote in her memo, quote, "The university reached a decision to decline the funding due to the narrow scope and restrictive terms of the grant and how they placed the university at risk of non-compliance." Fayetteville State and North Carolina A&T faced similar issues with grants, also deciding not to accept them. In Durham, Monica Casey, WRAL News.
The Board of Governors Committee on University Governance meets tomorrow to review the reports.